Hello all, greetings for the day. Today I'm going to show you how can we import large number of data into the system at once using bulk import features. For this we have to prepare the data as per the requirement of the system. For example, I'm going to input the data of association. So let us see what are the data that I need to input: association name, state, country, code. These are the data that we can enter into the system. So I have to prepare the data accordingly. For example, this is my data where I have prepared this sheet. Now I will download this data in CSV format, comma separated value. I will save it on my computer. Now I will go to the system. So on contacts, I have to go to association, and now I have to import the data by clicking on load file button. I will go once again association, import, load file. Here is my file that I have been downloaded just now. Now I have to map the data. For example, this is the name of the association, this is the country, this is the state ID, state or province database ID, this is district, commune, village. I have to choose village from here. I have to choose GPS latitude. By typing it means I'm mapping the data into the system as per according to my Excel file. So if I don't need to input this data from this column, then I can click this into button, so it will not be imported into the system. So this is how I will map the data. If I don't need, I will click on the into button over here. So if the data is needed, then I need to map by selecting the field. So once I finish mapping the data, then I have to test import it whether it is valid data or not. Now it will, if it is a valid data, then you can see the message called everything seems valid. Now after then you can import the data. Now 47 records were successfully imported. So you can see the data over here. All these data are in draft state. You can see the other detail as well. So in order to approve the data, the user have to go to the approval process. For example, I have to request for approval and approved it. In this way, now you can see this BAR is approved. And request approval, reject, please complete the data update. Now when I see the list, then the state is on reject. This is how we can import the data. We can search the BAR from here. So on the basis of district, uh, and these approved data will be seen on this section. all contacts. In the similar manner, we can import the data of farm and trader, as well as we can import the data of district, we can import the data of commune, we can import the data of village. This is how we can use import features. So if I need to export this data, then if I need to export the data of village, then I have to go to village, see all this list of data. I select this top checkbox, it will select all this data, and I will go to the action button and click on export. So what are the data I need to export? Then I will display name 8. If I need any other data, then I will commune display name 8. So if I need this data, then I will add this data. If I need to remove this data, I will remove this data. So in this way I can export this file. Now the file gets downloaded. This is an Excel file. You can open the Excel file. Here is an Excel file. We have, this is the name of district, this is the code, and this is the display name of the district. This is how we can get the data from the system, what we call an export feature. This was for today. Thank you.